So you want a Cosori air fryer, but you are staring at 20 different models, wondering which one will not just sit on your counter gathering dust. Well, I bought the top contenders, tested them to their limits, and one of these is about to change how you cook dinner forever. I am counting down from 6 to 1 today. Pay close attention to number 1 because it genuinely surprised me and it might not be the one you're expecting. 6. Cosori Iconic Stainless Steel 6.5 Cute Smart Air Fryer. On paper, this thing looks like an absolute beast for your kitchen. It has a massive capacity and a very premium-looking metal exterior that promises to match all your high-end appliances. I tossed a whole chicken in here just to see if it could handle it, and, well, it certainly cooked it through with plenty of room to spare. But here's the thing about that beautiful stainless steel finish. It is an absolute nightmare to keep clean. I mean, I touched it once after making some wings, and it looked like a crime scene of fingerprints. You will spend just as much time wiping down the outside of this machine as you do actually cooking your food. It completely defeats the purpose of a quick and easy weeknight meal if you are constantly polishing the appliance afterwards. Then there's the smart functionality. It connects to your phone so you can control it from the couch. Sounds great, right? Well, in practice, it is just incredibly frustrating. The app is fine, but you still have to physically walk over to the machine to put your food in and shake the basket halfway through. I just don't see the point of pulling out my phone to press start when I'm already standing right there. It feels like a feature nobody actually asked for. The cooking performance is totally acceptable, but it runs surprisingly hot on the default settings. 5. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. This model tries to reinvent the wheel by using a DC motor, which is supposed to cook your food faster and more evenly than traditional AC motors. I will admit, the technology sounds really impressive. When I first turned it on to make some frozen fries, I could definitely feel how intensely the air was circulating inside that basket. However, all that intense power comes with a serious learning curve. I mean, it cooks incredibly fast, almost too fast. If you walk away for 2 minutes, you might come back to croutons instead of roasted potatoes. The TurboBlaze has 5 different fan speeds, which sounds great until you realize you now have to calculate both temperature and wind speed for every single meal. It took me a solid week of ruined dinners just to understand how to use the thing properly. The design is also a bit unusual. It has a very flat top with the controls right on the upper surface. This is great if you are tall and looking down at it, but if you slide it under your upper cabinets, well, you cannot read the buttons without pulling the whole machine forward every single time. It just feels like a slight oversight in everyday practicality. And let us talk about the noise. Because of that powerful DC motor, this thing sounds like a small jet engine taking off in your kitchen. Cosori CAF L501 Air Fryer Pro. This is where Cosori really hits their stride. It has a 4.7 quart capacity, which I found to be the absolute perfect sweet spot. It is not so massive that it dominates your kitchen, but it easily holds enough food for 2 to 3 people. I fit a pound of Brussels sprouts in here perfectly in a single layer. Here is what matters with this model. It is unbelievably quiet. After testing the TurboBlaze, I'd plugged this one in and actually had to double check to make sure it was turned on. It operates with this gentle hum that just blends right into the background. You can easily watch television or chat with your family while it does all the hard work in the corner. The exterior is a dark matte finish that I absolutely love. Remember that fingerprint issue with the stainless steel model? That is completely gone here. You can grab this thing with greasy hands after making burgers and it still looks completely perfectly clean. It just wipes down with a damp cloth in 2 seconds. It is a massive relief. Cooking consistency is exactly what you want it to be. Every single time I put food in this machine, it came out beautifully golden brown. The heat distribution is fantastic, so I never found myself with fries that were burnt on the edges and frozen in the middle. It just works. You don't have to think about it at all. Cosori CAF L401 SAUS Lite. Do not let the word light fool you because this little machine packs a serious punch.
I tested the exact model, and it is noticeably more compact than the others. If you live in an apartment or just have very limited counter space, this is exactly the footprint you want. It tucks away into a corner so easily. I know I complained about smart features earlier, but, well, they actually make sense on this specific model. Because it is designed for smaller spaces and younger demographics, the app integration feels a lot more natural. Getting a push notification on my phone telling me it is time to shake the basket was actually incredibly helpful while I was in the other room working on my laptop. The design is incredibly sleek and modern. It comes in these really nice muted colors that look fantastic on a counter. I made some teriyaki salmon in this unit, and the non-stick basket performed beautifully. The fish slid right out without leaving a crusty mess behind, and the whole basket went straight into the dishwasher. Despite being only 4 quarts, the basket is surprisingly deep. You cannot fit a whole large pizza in there, obviously, but you can easily stack enough chicken wings for a movie night. The presets are really intuitive, and the buttons have a very satisfying tactile response when you press them. Ultimately, the Cosori Lite knows exactly what it is. It is not trying to feed a family of 6.
2. Cosori Dual Air Fryer. Look, if you have a family or if you like to meal prep for the whole week, you need to stop watching right now and just buy this one. Having 2 separate baskets completely changes the geometry of cooking dinner. Let me explain the best feature here. It has this sync finish function that is basically magic. You can put raw chicken in the left basket at 400 degrees for 20 minutes and delicate asparagus in the right basket at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. You press Sync Finish, and the machine automatically holds the asparagus and starts it exactly 10 minutes later, so both baskets finish at the exact same second. It is brilliant. I was skeptical about the viewing windows at first. I thought they would just get greasy and fog up. But honestly, being able to turn on a little internal light and physically watch my mozzarella sticks crisping up without losing heat by opening the drawer is fantastic. It takes all the guesswork out of the cooking time. The sheer volume of food you can produce with this is staggering. I cooked a main course and a side dish simultaneously and had a complete hot meal on the table in 20 minutes total. The baskets are totally independent, so the flavors never mix. Your fries will never taste like the fish you are cooking right next to them. The only reason this is not sitting at number 1 is the size. It is very wide and demands a permanent dedicated spot in your kitchen. Cosori 12-in-1 Air Fryer. This is the classic 5.8 quart standard model, and after testing every single variation, I can confidently say this is the best air fryer they make. It strikes the absolute perfect balance between size, price, and flawless daily performance. The secret weapon here is the square basket design. Round baskets waste so much usable surface area. Because this basket has corners, I was able to fit 4 full-size chicken thighs completely flat without them overlapping or steaming each other. You get significantly more usable cooking space in a smaller overall footprint compared to the massive dual basket models. It has 12 presets that actually work. Usually I ignore presets because they're just marketing fluff, but the steak preset and the bacon preset on this machine are dialed in perfectly. I hit the button and walk away with total confidence. The temperature control is incredibly stable and consistent from the front of the basket to the very back. It is rugged as well. I have frankly abused this basket, pulling it out, slamming it back in, and washing it roughly. The non-stick coating has held up flawlessly without a single scratch or flake. It is built like an absolute tank, but still looks very refined sitting on the counter. This is the gold standard. It does not need a confusing DC motor or a smudgy metal exterior to be great. It delivers perfect crispy food every single time with zero frustration. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.